So, first of all, the workshop is all about polyvagal theory, and we have to think about polyvagal theory as a brain-body science of connection, trust, and safety that leads to a better understanding of our mental and physical health. Underlying that statement is the notion that mental and physical health are very much interrelated. And of course, we have lived through generations now where people have basically thought about mental health as being orthogonal or independent of physical health. And few people have thought about the commonality of the systems, the neurobiological systems, the neurophysiological systems in our body that support optimal mental and optimal physical health. And what we start to learn is that underlying mental and physical health is the nervous system's capacity and ability to regulate its autonomic nervous system. Polyvagal theory is a theory that provides an understanding of our mind-body and our brain-body connections. And it provides a science of how these different parts of our body are neurally integrated